Hello friends, I hope that you are all having a wonderful day. Today is Pyramid Day. I'm excited to try these. Now, in my last video that you saw, no, actually, sorry. Yeah. Yes, it was. I think. Or was it in the gingerbread? I don't know. One of the last two videos, I had some extra resin, so I poured it in here. And it turned out super cute. So, but we're still going to do it again today. And today I'm going to try, once again, to do the alcohol ink technique, you know, where it like flows down and stuff. Anyway, so I picked out my colors. I've got peacock blue, fuchsia, and violet. And then I've also got my Pinata Blanco white alcohol ink. I've got it in my little dropper bottle thing here. This is going to be super simple. I'm hoping that they turn out great, but we shall see. And so these molds came from PandaHall, which I will have, you know, at the bottom here. So you already knew that. And I did not get a chance to mention it in the verbally, like audibly, in the last video with the hair sticks, but they did give me, they were very kind and gave me a discount code for all of you wonderful people to use. So it is Just Call Me Megan 10, I believe. I think. I'm pretty sure. I'm going to have it right here on the screen for you. And of course linked in the description. So, you know, go take a look, see if there's anything you like. And that code is good for 1 whole year. So, so that's exciting. As always, I'm going to be using, not as always, I am currently using Total Boat's tabletop resin for this. And yeah, I'm super excited. I'm hoping that I don't mix up too much. I think I'm going to do 150 milliliters is what I'm going to mix up. So hopefully that's enough and not too much. So yeah, we're going to get this started and see how it goes. And I am going to use, sorry, I know I'm talking a lot for this intro. I'm going to use these little micro brushes to make sure that there's no bubbles in the tips of these before I do my alcohol ink. I'm going to do my alcohol ink and then come back like 30 minutes later when the resin has gelled up a lot and stir it. And yeah, that's what we're doing today. Super simple, super easy. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's get this party started. Hey guys, this is a gentle reminder to please hit that like button, and if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button and ring that bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a video. Thanks so much. so excited. As you can tell, this is a voiceover because my battery died. My battery died yet again. Professional YouTuber here. You know, I definitely don't ever mess up my audio issues ever. You know, this is totally the very first time. Anyway, right now what I was saying was I was very excited to look at the sides of these molds and watch the ink kind of move down, like flow down. It just looks really, really cool. And yeah, and also I had leftover resin for some of those little like gemstone things. So I'm going to start unmolding with the little one. And you guys, I'm so mad that my microphone did not catch my excitement for these, because these are so fantastic. They look amazing. I'm so excited for them. Just wait until we get to the glamour shots at the end, because I don't think, even though I'm using the best camera here, I still don't think that it's doing them the justice that they deserve. These really, really blew me away, and I'm just so excited to have finally nailed this technique down. Also, I didn't have any bubbles in the tips, which was another wonderful thing. I mean, just look how gorgeous this is, you guys. The ink flowed so beautifully, and me mixing it up really came together, and I don't know. So, for this one, I definitely stuck the little stir stick in pretty far, and it kind of rubbed on the sides, so that's why you get those really solid pieces in it. But for the last one, and I think the littlest one, I only stuck it in just a little bit, just to see the difference of how it made. This cone, by the way, was a little bit harder to get out because the mold was so solid that I was just struggling real hard to get it out, but I do eventually get it out, and it is perfect. I mean, look at this, you guys. Isn't that just so gorgeous? These remind me of like another world, like an alien planet. They're just so, so cool looking. Again, I can't wait for you guys to see the end results in the glamour shots, because the camera and the lighting here just are not doing them their full justice. And I gotta say that this last one is probably, honestly, my favorite one of all of these. It just turned out so gorgeous. I can't sing its praises enough. And as you can see, I'm having a little bit of trouble with this one too, because the mold is just so solid. Very, very thick silicone here that I was dealing with. It's kind of funny watching myself struggle. I'm not laughing at myself. Nope. Anyway, look at that, you guys. Look how beautiful that is. All of like the wispiness of it. Ugh. It's just, I can't get over it. I really can't. I have shown every single person that I know in my life these pyramids now, just because I'm so proud of how they turned out. Because I have tried this technique before, and it never has worked out for me, but for some reason it definitely did in these pyramids. So the bottom of the last pyramid right there does have a little bit of a shelf to it, because I didn't fill the mold all the way, so I'm just taking my X-Acto knife and kind of trimming that down crudely. I plan to go back and actually like file the edges down flat, but this was just like a crude way of just getting that extra resin off of there, you know, really quickly. So that's what I'm doing here. But you guys, I'm going to say it again. I'm so excited by how these turned out. I really, truly am. I cannot wait to make more. I cannot wait to use different techniques and different colors and maybe even some mica powders in there or something. I'm not sure, but oh my God, they're stunning. They are stunning. They truly, truly are stunning. And I just feel so relieved that they came out good, to be honest with you, because I was very, very worried there for a few minutes until I started to see the alcohol ink seeping through, a few minutes after I dropped it in. But yeah, that's today's video. Thank you guys so very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. And if you would like to stick around and see more fantastic resin videos, you can do that by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you guys again so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.